Hey, it's Wandering Aquatics here, and have you ever came across the problem of having to siphon a nano tank? Well, a few things won't work like this. Use your big tank siphon for a little thing like this. No, you need a nano siphon. So here's a DIY video on how to make a nano siphon. So the three materials you're gonna need is a pipette, probably like a 3 milliliter pipette. That's what this is. And I cut the top just right off, like the very top of the top right off. So I'll show you why later, why you want to leave quite a bit, since that is your main hose. It helps from rocks getting jammed in there easier, and I'll show you another reason later on. But so you take the end of it and you grab the end of your tube and you put them on like this, and then the third item comes in is your tape, and you're just going to tape around it, and there you go. So you make a siphon, and there it's taped up just like that. And so there you go. Let's say you make it under all these supplies. I think it's under like $3 something, because I know you can buy these pipettes at Aquarium Co-op for like $1. The tube came in a whole roll for about $5, but I'm pretty sure if you get a smaller piece of it, you can get just like something for like $1 or something. And of course, you know the tape, but everyone usually has tape, so that's how you make one under $5. And it works pretty well, and we'll show you how it works. So when you go to do this, make sure you have a higher elevation for it to work. Make sure you have a higher elevation than the sink that you're going to be draining it into, because if it is the same height, it will not work for this process, because it needs to use gravity to help it work as a siphon would. But yeah, so make sure you can do this with like a 5-gallon bucket, as I have here. You just put it under it, and that should give it enough elevation in order to work really well. Alright, so when you want to siphon this, you want to make sure you get your end of it into the sink, because it's going to go quick. So all you need to do is put it in at a 40-degree angle like this, facing up. You pull it straight out of the water, wait for it to go down, put it back in. There you go, it's working. See? That's all you gotta do. I mean, look at the power of this thing. Just a little siphon can pick up a lot of stuff. You have some brine shrimp right there. Yeah, it just sucks it right up. So this way you don't have to worry about sucking up a fish by accident. So some people might wonder, why can't you just dump out the water? Well, in like a normal big tank ecosystem, you don't want to kill all the beneficial bacteria that's living in here. And being in such a nano tank, it's really important to have that and keep that established, because every time you take out all the water, you potentially kill a lot of it off. So it's good to be able to siphon it on a small scale like this, because you don't have to worry about, like I said, taking and scooping up your babies. You can keep them in here without having to catch them all out again. It makes it quite easy. It does. You can see all the stuff it's picking up. It doesn't stress them out a whole lot by having to restart all their water completely. And the cool thing about this siphon, that if you do get stuck in it, that it was once being a pipette, all you have to do is put your finger over the hole and you just squeeze until the thing comes out. There you go. That's easy to maintain like that. And now you have yourself a nano siphon. It's pretty cool. So thanks for tuning in for that short video on how to make yourself a DIY nano siphon. And yeah, like and subscribe if you like this content, and we'll catch you in the next one.